Hello friends, how have you been up to? I hope that you all are doing great. I am also fine. So friends, I have come up through this video to tell you something regarding how to think in English because we are facing lots of difficulties and we are facing on the road of learning English. Although we are smitten to learn this language, but owing to some problems we have, so that we are not able to speak this language. So in this video friends, I'm going to share with all of you out there some tips, you can say that, through which you can get rid of this problem and we can hone this language very easily. Without further ado, let's get started friends. So my first tip is like that: listening to conversation in English is the best way to build up your vocabularies and speaking skills, because according to me that if you listen more and more, then you can better speak. And I have already made this video. If you want to check out my videos, so you can go in the description and you can check out my all videos. And friends, because we are not habitual in this language and we are not familiar with this language, because if you are living in village area, in a rural area, then you are using drastically your mother tongue. Okay, so we are not using this language each and every single day, so that is why we are not up to the mark this language. If we would have practiced this language drastically, then today we would have been speaking this language very easily. So we should made our mind. Okay, we have to tenacious about this language, then it will be a piece of cake for us. So first of all, we have to make our mind that we can speak this language. Okay, first of all, you have to do this kind of things. And if you will use this language drastically and if you will speak this language meticulously, then definitely it will be easy for you. So first of all, you have to listen more and more, okay, in English only. And also, if you will listen any kinds of English related contents videos, then it will be easy for you to grab this language. Okay, so first of all, listening to conversation in English videos is playing a vital role in your life to boost up this language. So listen more and more friends. And my second tip is like that, like make friends to interact with them, so that it will be easy for you, because you know that if you will communicate with lots of friends, then definitely it will be good for you to learn this language to enhance your communication skills. So make friends and interact with them with the help of this language, then definitely it will be a piece of cake for us. So make friends and try to interact with them and use with them in English only. And if you will interact with them with the help of this language, then definitely you will figure out that your English level will be improved. Don't think about that, irrespective of making lots of mistake. You do not think about that my English is not up to the mark. Just gradually, if you will use this language and if you will interact with then definitely it will be good for you and you will hone this language. Okay, my third tip is like that, read children's books each and every time. And if you want, then also you can read comic books. But one thing I would like to share with all of you, that while you are reading any books, try to read the books loudly. Okay, it has a reason why I'm telling you that whenever you are going to read any books, if you will read the books loudly, then it will be helpful for your pronunciation, because if you do not have good pronunciation, then the person with whom you will be interacting, he or she cannot be able to understand you. So like pronunciation is very very important, my dear all friends. It doesn't matter that you have a good accent or not, but pronunciation does matter. Okay, so try to read any books loudly, then also it will be good for your mouth muscle, and it will be good for your tongue. So try to read any books loudly. Okay. And initial stage, I'm going to tell you that if you are new in the English language, then try to read any children's books, it will be good for you. Okay. And my fourth tip is like take advantage of free online media. These days we have ample of free application which are available on Play Store. So why don't we use this kind of platform which are available free of cost application? And you know friends, we are very lucky enough these days that we have had access this kind of facility. So with the help of this kind of application, we can learn this language with alacrity, with aplomb. Okay. But you know, we will face some kinds of problem, but it doesn't matter that if we will use this internet facility, then definitely whatever the problem we have, all the problem will be solved by this internet. Okay. And also, you know that if you have like a dedication towards this language, then also it will be easy for you. Just you have to over the moon in this language, definitely you will be successful in your life. Okay. So try to use different kinds of free application which are available on Play Store. My fifth tip is like believe in yourself, my dear all friends. Okay. Just if you are blatant about this language, okay, and if you have made your mind that I can learn this language, then definitely my dear friends, you can speak flawless English. Just you have to work hard. Okay. Because as I told you that this language is not our mother tongue, so it will take lots of time to achieve this language. Okay, so first of all, we have to work hard, then definitely sooner or later we will speak this language very fluently. So these are the things, friends, which I had to tell you. So I have already told you. I hope that this video will helpful for you. And keep learning this language, friends. As I told you, it takes some times. Okay, definitely if you will use this language drastically, then one day and other you will speak this language very fluently. Okay, thank you so much my dear friends being with me, and I will come back with new content in my next video. Till then, bye, and keep learning this language. Bye my dear friends.